What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. Now, in this video, I want to share with you a plug. I want to share with you a hookup. I want to share with you something that I've just put into play here at SCE and with our company for our clients. Nick Spinelli's calling me right now. Nick, can I call you right back? I'm recording a video. Yeah, thank you. I'll call you right back. Bye. By the way, if you're not following Nick Spinelli and his channel, you're not following him on TikTok, you're not following him on YouTube, you need to do so. Make sure you connect with the family here, the tribe, the SCE tribe. Nick Spinelli. Find him. Information in the description underneath this video. Click in, dial into his content, support Nick. He's my homie, part of my family here at SCE. I love that. I love that dude. Ironic he just called. Anyway, all right. I want to share with you a hookup, something that we put in play here at SCE. I think there's tremendous value in it, and it doesn't cost anything other than some time setting up. And that is using the archaic platform of Facebook to help your business create community with the people that are hiring you for events. Now, as a DJ that primarily works in the wedding space, we are using Facebook as a tool to keep people informed, to keep people dialed into question, and to create a platform that our clients, our couples can go to search out answers to questions, to find content in an easy way, unlike YouTube and unlike some other platforms, and to build relationships with other people that are in the same spot as them, planning weddings, sometimes at the same locations as them, that could be at the same point as them in the process or further along in the process. That allows us to work and just help people in a different way. And that is by setting up a private, curated Facebook group. So you're wondering, how am I using this archaic platform to help our clients, our couples, the people that are using our services at SCE Event Group, to help them in different ways? I'm going to tell you real quick, and that is by creating a private, curated, invite-only Facebook group that your clients have access to seek out information, to network with other couples that could be getting married at the same place, or to share information, resources, and to build community around your business. We're doing it at SCE. I started just a couple weeks ago, only have a small number of people involved, and man, it's insane. And I want to share this with you because if you're like me and you own a business, or maybe you're not like me and you don't own a business, maybe you're starting out a business, or you're engaged, you work for a company, this is an idea that you can bring back to the powers that be to help you guys, your business, your world build further, faster, and create a community that could just help you in so many different ways. So how do we do it? Well, essentially every time our contract goes out to couples, we actually provide them a link to this private Facebook group. They have to answer a few questions so we know who they are. Our team here in the office, myself included, will go through our system and validate that they are a current or past couple. No professionals, no other people, no randoms coming in. Only people that are working with us or have worked with us in the past are permitted to gain access to this group. This group is great because couples can ask each other questions. We can provide answers and insight to situations, to questions, to things that come up here in the office or with the people that we're working with. And we use some of the advanced features of the Facebook group. And by the way, this is all free, to organize content. So in the future, if someone's looking for information about lighting, we can point them to a private video that resides in this private group. We're backing up because there's a helicopter coming in. People are leaving in our neighboring office here, and it's getting kind of loud where I was before. But the purpose of this group is to create community, to provide resources for people when they're planning their wedding, when they're making decisions, maybe dealing with issues that they're struggling with, things that you can help them with all go into this. The byproduct of this group is community. And I think that's one of the hardest things to kind of create when you're a company providing services in the event industry, because once someone has their wedding, typically they're done. They move on. They have other life events that happen and they're not interested in really going through the deal. But when you create community and people have relationships with other people that now are planning their wedding, and they keep tabs on them and they see what's going on. I'm already seeing the connections starting with some of the people that are involved and engaged in the community. It's so crazy, but everyone knows someone through some degree of separation. So when people on social media see someone post about a venue, you know what happens is they click on their profile, it takes them over, they see who their mutual friends are, who they're maybe connected to, that they know each other, and this magical thing kind of happens where people just automatically almost like bond. Now, how that helps you as a business is you're creating these like really deep interactions with people, and you are part of it because you're there to kind of provide your insight, perspective, and guidance through the issues that they may have or the questions that they may have. And after they then have their wedding, maybe they stay engaged with the group because they already have a relationship there, and everyone struggles sometimes having brand ambassadors. This group is a great way to have brand ambassadors where you have someone singing someone praises, or maybe they really love this one service and they can provide insight at that venue because they had their wedding there. And it's just a very, very powerful and very, very useful thing. It's kind of like the whole Wedding Wire review thing, except you're just basically doing it where they can talk directly to each other and they can kind of connect that way. Now, we primarily work in the Northeast and primarily New Jersey, and there's a lot of venues, there's a lot of people, there's a lot going on, but you would be surprised how many times people connect to each other and it's like they know someone that maybe knows someone or is connected to someone in their family or their friend circle or their college circle or their high school circle, and it's just like amazing to see happen. Anyway, the Facebook group thing is so big. And if you're not doing this, I would highly encourage you and your company to get this started ASAP. Start creating community, start answering questions, start helping people, and soft serve your content up. Show some of the examples of some of the work that you're doing. We're expanding the folders within this group and the files and the documents within this group to provide resources for people in terms of song selections at times of year. And now we're focusing on our video edits, and they're private within this group, so people can only see them if they're in this group. And we're organizing services and venues so that people can get an idea of our talent, also what the services look like at certain venues and maybe even their venue. And it's just super, super powerful. You're using a platform that people hit up constantly on their phone, even if they're not a religious user of Facebook. It's super easy because everybody knows how to operate the platform, and it's easier than sending people to one-off link here on YouTube, one-off link here on Vimeo, one-off link here on TikTok. You can like literally put it all in one place, and that's the purpose of this. The Facebook group is a powerful, powerful tool that actually costs nothing, and I highly encourage you checking it out. Now, I want to hear from you. First and foremost, if you like this video, found value in this video, smash the heart button, the thumbs up button underneath this video, and you can leave some love in that little heart thing. There's a little like super thanks thing. If you want to get some cool emojis, maybe even donate to this channel in some way, shape, or form, you found some great value in this content, hit that thanks button, put a little donation in there, and I will personally see it and reach out and thank you. So anyway, you have a comment, a question, anything at all, throw it in the space underneath this video, and be on the lookout for more content coming to you and this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Only if you subscribe, though. Make sure you're hitting that subscription button. Anyway, Jason Jani, hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you soon.